The Indian Youth Congress today announced that it will conduct internal membership and organizational elections throughout Meghalaya along with the rest of the country. The announcement of the event was attended by prominent Congress leaders including Congress Working President Deborah C. Marak, Tura Member of Parliament Saleng A. Sangma among others. The nomination period will run from November 16 to November 28, 2024, while membership registration is currently open via the WITH IVC mobile app.
The nomination time is 16 November till 20th November. If there is any objection, like any complaints against any candidate regarding disciplinary or anti-party or anything, then anybody can raise a complaint through our website.
Anti-social.
Yeah, anti-social also. So the objections can be raised through the website, that is www.ycea.in. Anybody can raise a complaint with the valid documents through the website, and the objection date is from 17 November till 21st November, 5 p.m.